erupted over the so-called kill Trump or this assassination bid, as Maharashtra Congress leader Vijay Wadatiwar has now drawn a India parallel. And now what has happened at the White House Correspondents Association dinner with President Trump, he says that as you sow, so shall you reap. And while holding the highest office, the way President Trump tried to control and dominate the world, disturbing other countries, asserting dominance. However, the leader here in India is of the opinion that what happened to Trump should not happen to any individual holding such a high office, but it shows that if actions are taken in certain way, people will respond accordingly. So he seems to be in a way justifying as far as this attack seems to have happened, or rather foiled by the US authorities. But this is a big development as far as can they be even drawn in India parallel here as well, saying the situation is somewhat similar that is happening here in the country.
सब पूरा दुनिया हमारी गुलाम है, इस तरह की उसकी जो भाषा है, और देश को भी उसने बर्बाद किया। ईरान से कोई संबंध नहीं था, फिर भी उसने इजराइल को पकड़कर जो वार किया, उसमें वो तो होना ही था। आज ट्रम्प ने पूरे अमेरिका को बर्बाद कर चुका है, अपने मंसूबे पूरे करने के लिए, अपनी इच्छाओं को पूर्ति करने के लिए। जैसे कि देश में चल रहा है अपने हिंदुस्तान में, वैसे ही वहां चला, तो वो होना ही था। जितने लोग रास्ते पर उतरकर उनका विरोध किया, अब हिंदुस्तान में उतर नहीं रहे, तो इनको लग रहा है कि सब कुछ आलबेल है। लोगों में वही भावना आज भी है कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान भी वो बर्बादी के रास्ते पर चल रहा है। ट्रम्प के साथ हुआ, ये सही मायने से उस सर्वोच्च पद पर आसीन व्यक्ति के बारे में नहीं होना चाहिए था, पर जैसे करेगा तो जनता उसका जवाब देगी, यही उस घटना से दिखता है। नहीं।
Well, Nyamika is with us. Nyamika, good morning. Does it even make sense on part of the opposition to have a say in this, exactly what has happened in the US in the first place? Then remember at the time when there were several leaders in the opposition and in the Congress who actually wanted a Nepal-like Gen Z kind of protest here in India as well. Why draw such comparisons when nothing like this can ever happen?
Well, yes, this is a very shocking remark which is being made by the Congress leader, Mr. Vijay Wadatiwar. He has the way in which he has compared the situation of the United States with India. He, in fact, has gone even to say that what shall you sow, so shall you reap. So that is the kind of a reaction which he has given regarding the attack which has taken place upon Donald Trump.
Vijay Wadatiwar also joining us on the phone line. Vijay ji, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है, sir? All right, we'll just try and reconnect that line, but this would have been an exclusive conversation that we have with him, and we'll try to get him back. But yes, Nyamika, please continue with your point.
Well, it seems like a very provocative statement on the part of the Congress leader, Mr. Vijay Wadatiwar. The way in which he has compared this entire situation with India is, does this actually means that he is also stating that a similar kind of thing can also take place here? However, he hasn't named any kind of a leader, but the way in which he has compared the situation, saying that Mr. Donald Trump is having a dictatorial attitude, the way he's doing governance in that particular country, it can be much expected that this kind of a reaction can be given. Here also he had stated that if any protests are not being done by the people of this country, if the people are not coming to the streets, that doesn't mean that everything is all right, and a similar kind of situation can also be expected here. So that is a kind of a very shocking remark which is being made by Mr. Vijay Wadatiwar. This kind of a comparison is not right at all. However, we have seen that how he stated that any such kind of a violent attack being made on a person with having such a high post, that is also not acceptable at all. But this raises a lot of questions upon the way in which this comparison has been done, that whether he is also trying to provocate the people of this country by stating that if the protests are not taking place, that doesn't.
Let me get in a word here from the government here in the case, because we are trying to connect with Mr. Vijay Wadatiwar himself. Shaina NC is connected with us. Shaina, good morning. Why is that the opposition in particular wants to draw comparisons to what is happening across the world? If you take the Nepal example and then what happened with President Trump as far as his assassination bid that has been foiled, saying that something like this can happen here in the country as well.
You know, this is not the first time that the Congress party has scored a self-goal. Mr. Vijay Wadetiwar has spoken on multiple occasions against the government. That one can understand. He has made political comments, be it farmers, be it all the Petram attacks, and that this goes on. But this is standard Congress practice. What he is saying here is more worrisome because I think that he is kind of spreading some kind of a misnomer to say that the mood in India is the same. What do you mean by the mood in India? The mood in India is only upbeat. So, Mr. Vijay, I would say to you, please keep your comments to yourself. If the firing at the White House Correspondents Association dinner, which was attended by Donald Trump, was his style of governance, as he says, I think you cannot draw parallels to India. I mean, you're talking about a global unsettled vis-a-vis countries, jaise karni, waise bharni. I mean, is this your kind of below-the-belt comment for the Honorable Prime Minister? And what are you trying to ascertain? You are saying that people are coming out, there is an illusion that everything is fine, but people have some sentiments that India has been damaged. What damage are you talking about? India is at the best trajectory of its innings.
Yes.
If we look at good governance, if we look at the economy, if we look at welfare schemes, but obviously you have chosen to spread this kind of a malicious theory only as a hidden desire of the Congress party, which is done and dusted.
All right. Thank you, Ashana. I appreciate your point of view. Well, this seems to be the point of view that is now coming in from the government there in Maharashtra, saying that its opinion is concerned that this seems to be another self-goal on part of the Congress and its leader there. What is the need to first in the place draw a parallel to something like this as far as when it comes to the analogy and drawing the Gen Z protest, what happened in Nepal, and now talking about jo karoge wahi bharoge, and that seems to be the kind of analogy that is now being drawn here as far as the India parallel here in this case is concerned. So we'll play out again what Vijay Wadetiwar has said, drawing this controversy. In fact, also talking about something like what he claims is happening here in India as well. Let's listen in once again to Vijay Wadetiwar. All right, before we replay that bite, but let's go back to Nyamika on this, and we're trying to get as many as political reactions possible on this. Nyamika, this has now been said as a Congress's self-goal. As we heard just Shaina NC talk about, saying that there seems to be no sense, no reasoning, no logic to his statement.
Well, yes, indeed, there seems to be no logic behind this particular statement which is being made by the senior Maharashtra Congress leader, Mr. Vijay Wadetiwar, drawing parallels of India with the United States, the way in which the fighting incident had taken place there. He is basically trying to say that it is because of the dictatorial attitude of the US President Donald Trump that this kind of a reaction is coming in. But the way in which he has stated that a similar kind of situation can also erupt here, that raises a lot of questions. Because on one side, when the protests had taken place in Nepal, at that particular point in time also we have seen a lot of Congress leaders coming out in open, and they had stated that it is basically the aggression of the people of Nepal which is being seen, and they have also made a comparison with India as well.
Yes.
The way in which at that point in time also the Congress party was being questioned for making such kind of remarks.
It is the same Congress party that at one time was criticizing when it comes to Prime Minister's relationship with the President Trump is concerned, and now talking about such kind of pressure building as far as his assassination bid, which has now been foiled in the US. But why draw comparisons or draw a parallel here in India? Let's in the meantime get you the counter. Another one. This is coming in from the BJP side, where BJP is now slamming the Nafrat for Modi template, saying that this is a shocking remark by a Congress leader, and this is Congress which seems to be resorting to Desh Virod.
In Modi Virod, Congress party is now doing Desh Virod. Congress's senior leader Vijay Vadattiyar, who has made many controversial comments about Operation Sindoor, about why a 15 lakh rupee missile was used to save Golden Temple, who has given clean chit to Pakistani terrorists in 26/11, now goes beyond and makes the most obnoxious comment. He says that the shooting attempt at Donald Trump, President Trump, was justified in America, and that there is a similar feeling in India, but Indian government does not know because there are no protests here, but the feeling is the same, and he justified it. And in a way, he is hoping that such an incident takes place here too. You can hate BJP, but why would you want such things to happen in this country? And why would you want to pray or hope for it? 150 times they have abused Prime Minister, threatened him with killing, death threats, Marja Modi, Modi ki kabar ko degi, Hitler ki maut marega, and now they're down to...
Well, that seems to be the counter coming in from the BJP side. We'll get you more reactions back after a short break. You're watching the Morning News Hour.
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे जिंदल साथी